Everyone wants to know the same thing: which crypto will be the best investment in 2026? But the truth is, you don't win in crypto by guessing or gambling. You win by understanding trends, utility, and where smart money is actually moving. In 2026, the coins worth watching fall into powerful categories rather than random hype. And it all starts with the safest foundation in the market: Bitcoin. No matter what happens, Bitcoin remains the anchor of the crypto world. It's backed by institutions, supported by ETFs, adopted globally, and recognized as digital gold. It may not give you massive fast returns, but it remains the most reliable long-term asset in the entire crypto space. Next is Ethereum, the technology that powers most of Web3. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the digital economy. It hosts the largest ecosystem of developers, supports countless decentralized apps, and continues to grow through staking and major upgrades. Ethereum isn't hype, it's infrastructure, and infrastructure always wins in the long run. But if you're looking for higher growth, you need to look at fast layer 1 blockchains like Solana, Avalanche, and Near Protocol. These projects focus on speed, low fees, and scalability. They attract new developers and massive communities, making them strong contenders for big gains in 2026. Another explosive category is AI crypto tokens. With AI becoming the biggest global trend, blockchain is merging with AI through projects like Fetch.ai, Render, and SingularityNet. These tokens are not meme coins. They power AI automation, AI computing, and data networks. As AI grows, these crypto projects grow with it. And then we have real-world asset tokens, one of the strongest long-term trends. Projects like Chainlink, Ondo Finance, and Maker bring real-world money, real assets, and financial systems onto the blockchain. This is where institutions and governments are heading, and investors who understand this early have a major advantage. So instead of looking for a magic coin, focus on the right categories: Bitcoin for stability, Ethereum for utility, Solana and other layer ones for growth, AI tokens for innovation, and real-world asset projects for adoption. This is how smart investors think about 2026. Always do your own research. This is education, not financial advice. And if you want me to create a complete 2026 crypto portfolio script, just comment Portfolio 2026. Make sure to subscribe to Wealth Compass, where smart money finds direction.